Hello students, today we will learn subjects mathematics 2, chapter number 2 Pythagoras theorem of standard 10. So, first we learn what is Apollonius theorem. So, Apollonius theorem is in triangle ABC, point M is the midpoint of segment BC. Then Apollonius theorem is AB square plus AC square plus AC square is equal to twice AM square plus twice BM square. And by using this Apollonius theorem we solve practice set 2.2. So first problem is in triangle PQR, PS is the median, point S is the midpoint of segment QR. If PQ is equal to 11, length PR is equal to 17, median PS is equal to 13, then find the value of QR. Find the value of QR. So solution: in triangle PQR, point S is the midpoint of segment QR. Segment QR by the definition. Then by Apollonius theorem, PQ square plus PR square is equal to twice PS square plus twice QS square. PQ square plus PR square is equal to twice PS square plus twice QS square. Put the value of in this equation. PQ is 11, therefore 11 square plus 17 square is equal to twice PS square. The median of value is 13, therefore 2 into 13 whole square plus twice QS square. And 11 square is 121. 121 plus 17 square is 289 is equal to 2 into 13 square 169 plus twice QS square. 121 plus 289, 9 plus 110, carry 1, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, again carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 410 is equal to 2 into 169, 2 9s are 18, carry 1, 2 6s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13, carry 1, 2 into 1 plus 1, 3, 338 plus 2 QS square, and therefore twice QS square is equal to 410 minus 338 is equal to 10 minus 8, 2, carry 1, 11 minus 3 and 1, 11 minus 4 is 7 and 4 minus 4 is 0. Therefore, QS twice QS square is equal to 72 and QS square is equal to 72 upon 2 is equal to 36. QS square is equal to 36. Taking square root of both the sides. Taking square root of both the sides, we get QS is equal to 6. QS is equal to 6. But we will find the value of QR. So hence S is the midpoint of segment QR, and therefore QR is equal to twice QS. QR is equal to twice QS is equal to 2 into 6, and therefore we get QR is equal to 12. QR is equal to 12. So next we will see second problem. In triangle ABC, point M is the midpoint of triangle, midpoint of segment AB. Then AC is equal to 7, BC is equal to 9, segment AB is equal to 10. Then find the length of the median drawn from the point C to side AB. So CM is equal to, find the value of CM. Then solution. In triangle ABC, point M is the midpoint of segment AB. Then by Apollonius theorem, AC square plus BC square is equal to twice CM square plus twice AM square plus twice AM square. Therefore AC square is 7 square, BC is 9 square, twice CM square, CM as it is, and AM. So AB is equal to 10 and M is the midpoint of AB. Therefore AM is 2. So 2 into 5 square A dash M dash B. Since therefore 7 square is 49 plus 81 is equal to twice CM square plus 2 into 25, 50. 49 plus 81, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, 4 plus 8, 10, 12 plus 1, 13. 130 is equal to 2 CM square plus 50. Therefore, twice CM square is equal to 130 minus 50. Twice CM square is equal to 80, and therefore CM square is equal to 80 upon 2 is equal to 40. CM square is equal to 40. Taking square root of both the sides, CM is equal to under root of 40 is equal to 4 into 10 equal to 2 under root of 10, and therefore CM is equal to the length of median drawn from point C to side AB, means CM is equal to 2 under root of 10. So in the next video we will see remaining problems of practice set 2.2. So now we will stop here.